Okay guys, we got a 2013 Ford Edge with a 2.0. I'm gonna do spark plugs here. So I've already pulled 3 of these coil packs. I just want to show you how these clips work. You're gonna pull that back like that, then you're gonna squeeze right there and pull it straight out. If I can get my finger on it, I'll use my other hand. Maybe. There. Okay, now we're gonna pull this tube out of the way because you can see we can't get to that coil there. So we're gonna pull these tube. This line, it might move, but it's not very flexible, so we may pull it. This snaps up like this, then you squeeze the side and pull it off. So let's go ahead and get this pulled off. Okay, you got both of those loose. So this clip here has little tiny, on the back side of it, you're gonna squeeze it and lift up. Then you're gonna squeeze this and pull it straight out, just like that. So let's go ahead and get this tube off now. You got one pipe back there in the back, but we should be okay. Oh, there we go. Thought it was a pipe. It's not connected to anything. Now we can get in here and get an 8mm and pull these coil packs. Okay, so I got that 8 loose there. Set it up there out of the way. Grab a hold of the coil pack and just wiggle her and pull her straight up. There you go. Set that down. Now we'll go get us a 5/8 socket and we'll pull that plug. Okay, I got a 3/8 ratchet on an extension. I actually have 2 3-inch extensions. I should go grab another one or use a 6-inch. But we'll start getting it out. And then I grabbed a little magnet here. So if your socket doesn't have that rubber boot in it to pull it up, we'll stick the magnet in there and we'll get that out. Okay, so my socket doesn't have that little rubber boot, so it just slides up and it doesn't bring the plug up with it. So I'm just gonna put my magnet in there and try to grab the top of the plug and pull it out like that. So there we go. So now we will grab another plug here, a new one. If these get dropped, they like to bend that filament. So make sure they're already preset, pre-gapped, and this one's been gapped. But make sure they're all about the same, because if it got dropped, it could pinch it. So now we're gonna run everything backwards here. Okay, so I got the new plug in there. Now I'm just gonna drop my coil pack back down. Just make sure it's kind of straight with that plug in the back, the bolt hole, and then just give her a push. She's not gonna stay completely flat. The bolt will suck it down where it needs to go. So we'll tighten that back up, and of course, don't forget to plug it back in and push that red thing forward like that to lock it into place. So I'll get that tightened down, and then it's just one at a time. We'll do all of them just like that. And if you need the air filter, we're gonna do that on this. We're gonna do a few other things. Click on my name below this and you'll get all those. But I guess that's about it for this one. All of them are just exactly the same. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.